morning, guys. Very cold morning. Loads of ice on the windows this morning, so it took about 20 minutes to half hour to get off. Yeah, took the kids to school, and now en route to an old customer that I've had previously. I fitted an era fortress for her a while back. Had to gain entry to it, so picked it up and then replaced it because she didn't have no keys. So yes, she's gave me a call and said she has some problems with her two of her internal doors. One being the boiler room. She can't gain entry to it. It's basically she's turning the handle and the latch ain't coming out. So got a rough idea why that's that. And I believe the other one is her kitchen door. Sorry, her kitchen door. Same thing, turning the handle and it's just not working. So I'm gonna set off to Mitcham now and yeah, help the lady out, and then we'll go from there and on to the next one. So yeah, speak to you soon. Hello. Wow. Yeah, that was an interesting one. That was a very good one. That was yeah. So basically turned up. Yeah, as it was, as the lady explained, two doors needed sorting, and the first door, which was the boiler room door, couldn't open. So yeah, basically had to get a couple of airbags, 3 airbags. Yeah, lift the door up, then try to get the latch. Basically what had happened is, over time, I think was where the doors dropped, putting pressure on the tubular latch, and basically the latch just snapped on the inside. Something on the inside's not moving, so yeah, so basically it's a replacement. So the interesting thing came, basically I got it open. Obviously you usually have, mainly I have on board is 2 sizes of tube latches, which is a 44 and 57, and 2.5 and 3. Yeah, so I've opened up the door, took the latch out, gone to replace with what I had. It was not that. It was a 60mm. So obviously that's a couple of mil out, which makes a lot of difference. So what it worked out was I had to do a bit of investigating. The doorknobs on the doors were specified by era. So basically it was era that only do those typical latches. So I had to look around, see what I can find. Found a couple because I had to do the other door in the kitchen too, so I took the same thing. So that was a bit more straight easy. That was basically just taking it out. But as I've took that one out in the kitchen, the locker just fell apart. You'll see on the pictures. It's crazy, absolutely mad. But anyway, so yeah, so I had to look for a nearby merchandise place to go have a look. So I found a local screw fix. Went for a little drive, got what I needed. Explained to the customer that, you know, I didn't have what it was and what it is, and she was fine with. Went off, come back, say about half hour, 45 minutes later, fitted the locks. Happy days. She's all good. Everyone's happy. Both doors now open and closing. Yeah, she's happy. I'm happy. But yeah, just shows you, as I say, you can. I have a lot of materials on board in my vehicle. Pretty much one of everything. And in my storage, I have a load more. But as I say, you can only hold so much. But that was interesting to say. That was a bigger tubular latch than normal, so I would never have had that. But it's good to know. It's good to know that era do that knob set. So yeah, unfortunately they wouldn't sell me the latch by itself, so I had to buy the whole knob set. But she was happy with that. She didn't mind. It wasn't expensive for the pair, and I actually offered to. I said to her, if you wasn't using the knob set, I'll take it. But she said it was fine. I would have paid it for her, so obviously I would have given her some money for them. But she was like, no, she'll keep them. So yeah, all in all, everyone was happy with it. So yeah, so that job's done now. Another one bites the dust, and now got another job to go to in a couple of hours. So while I am waiting about, I might pop to the gym and have a nice sauna and steam room because it's freezing outside. All right? Peace. All the best.